My dear, your success at the hospital is the talk of London. You've become a sort of heroine. You've achieved what you set out to do. Now, I really don't begrudge the fame. But quite selfishly, I wonder about our plans for the future together. I need to ask you now, finally. Will you be my wife?
Richard, you've been so kind and patient with me for so long.
Florence!
Please. I beg you, don't force me to an answer now.
I must! I always believed we had an understanding. But if you don't love me enough to want to marry me now, why should you in the future?
Richard, I've only just escaped one kind of domestic life, the life of family, and I don't want to be nailed to it again so soon.
You're making excuses, Florence. Have I ever tried to nail you down? I have loved you truly as a friend. But I have a passionate side of my nature too, and that side of me has to have an answer. If you tell me again that you want more time, you're saying no, and I must take that no as final.
You choose to make it final, not me. Very well, then. If it has to be now or never, then let it be never, and I shall never marry.
You're talking like a child, Flo, and a spoilt one. Of course you will marry.
I, too, have a passionate side to my nature. And perhaps I shall satisfy it outside of marriage. But I shall never marry.
Florence, don't say you'll never marry. Say rather that you and I will never fully part.
I love you. And when I say it, I'm saying goodbye to one whole side of life and all of youth. Past and future being torn apart right here. And I'm doing the tearing. And now it's done.